Hey guys, today I'll be unboxing the Nokia T20 tablet. Let's get started. On the front, you can see the image of the tab with its name, and at the back, specifications of the tab. Let's open the box. First, you can see the Nokia T20 tablet. The device offers a 10.4-inch IPS LCD display. At the back, the tab has an 8 megapixel primary camera setup with Nokia branding. The Nokia T20 tablet looks very nice in this blue color. Here is a 2-pin wall charger with 15 watt of fast charging and a USB Type-C cable for charging the device and transferring the data. Next, we have documentation like a user guide which will give you all the necessary information about the device. At last, we have a SIM ejector tool. So guys, that's all you get inside the Nokia T20 tablet box. Thank you so much for watching this video.